Palm that does not have any qualifier attached to its name, is practically a basic budget Android 8.1 phone running on a Snapdragon 435. However, the 3 GB of RAM and the 32 GB of storage are not exactly your low-level configuration of standard rate. And the 720p 3.3-inch screen means you actually have a higher pixel density than many smartphones these days. The 12-megapixel rear camera and the 8-megapixel selfie camera may not be all that, but they are still there, surprising for a phone of this size. So, what is the Palm for? It is meant to be an extension of your main smartphone, just like your smartwatch. However, unlike a smartwatch, you have a full Android phone, although small, with all the applications that you can possibly include and use in it. And unlike some smartwatches, you can use the Palm and leave your real phone at home without worrying about missed calls or messages. That's thanks to its exclusive partnership with Verizon. In particular, the Verizon number share subscription synchronizes the phone number and messages, so Palm is almost double your real phone. One that can easily fit into small wristbands, straps, etc. And when you have your phone with you or just do not want to be disturbed on your Palm, the Life Mode feature will turn off all Wi-Fi, cellular, Bluetooth radios by locking the screen. Unless you are in a phone call, of course, or transmit music or track your location.